same time, I request our principal madam to join on the stage. Yes. And the HOD of our department, supervisor, Madam Niharika Gantayat, to join us. And I would like to request the participants and escorting teachers. We have participation certificate too. Escorting teachers are requested to collect it before leaving. Well, dear participants, at the end of the whole day, we are all ready with the results of your speeches that mesmerized us. I request to go from the third position, from the second position, runners up and winner. I request our original director, sir, to announce.
All right. So the runner-up in favor of the motion is Mahamaya Rath from DAV Public School, Chandrasekharpur.
I request Mahamaya Rath to be on the stage. Yes, the next result. Yeah. I request the winners, whoever will be, to stay on the stage only for this great moment to be captured. Here we have Mahamaya Rath from DAV Public School, Chandrasekharpur, receiving the runners-up trophy. May I now request to declare.
I think I'm audible. The runner-up against the motion is Siddhi Mohapatra from DAV Public School, Pragati Marg.
A thunderous round of applause, my dear audience. With the voice that they were speaking here, your applause should not be less in any way. Here we have both the runners-up speaking for the motion and against the motion. Now it's the time to know the winners. The champions of GP Memorial Debate.
The winner against the motion is Risha Misra. Risha Misra, please. DAV Public School, Chandrasekharpur.
Congratulations, Risha.
Beautiful, beautiful.
The champion of GP Memorial Debate 2024. Now the stage is waiting for one more champion to join us.
Winner for the motion, Shriman Misra, DAV Public School, Kalinganagar, Bhubaneswar.
Master Shriman Mishra from DAV Public School, Kalinganagar. Thunderous round of applause for you. I could still remember your vibrant words and your presentation on the stage.
No doubt about it. You see, he's original. Yes. Excellent, excellent.
More than the trophy, the words of encouragement of the judges are your best award for today.
Okay, runner-up.
I request all the winners to join. And your participants, all of you now clap for yourselves. You all are the best speakers of your school. And I'm sure there would be a point of difference among all the speakers. Each one of you was vibrant. Congratulations, dear winners. You deserve it. You truly deserve it. I request all the dignitaries to be there on the stage, as it's time now to felicitate our esteemed judges for being with us for the whole day, not only for evaluating the presentations, but also sharing their tips. I request Arevur Addy sir and Principal ma'am to felicitate our esteemed judges for today. Professor Brahmananda Satpathy, Madam Dr. Sudha Mishra, Madam Amrita Satpathy. Thank you so much, sir and ma'ams, for being with us for the whole day.